How to enable picture in picture on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to enable picture in picture on YouTube. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch YouTube app. Make sure that you log in or sign into your account. Navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap on gear icon at top right. Now tap on general option. So we do not see the option to enable picture in picture on app, but instead exit YouTube. Long press on YouTube app icon, select I. This will take you to the app info page where you can easily select picture in picture option at bottom of the screen. Select that and make sure that you enable the button, allowing this app to create a picture in picture window while the app is open or after you leave it. For example, to continue watching a video, this window will be appeared or displayed on top of other apps you are using. So in this way, you can successfully enable picture in picture on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.